ITS Enclosures offers NEMA-rated printer cabinets for various printer sizes. Introducing the NEMA 4 PB28. Constructed out of 14-gauge cold-rolled steel, the printer cabinet measures 28 inches high by 26 inches wide by 26 inches deep. Fabricated to store various barcode label printers, the NEMA 4 enclosure will protect against dust, dirt, hose-directed water, and corrosive materials. The 20-inch extended sliding shelf provides quick access to the printer, making it simple to change printed materials or labels. The sliding shelf will support a printer weighing up to 80 pounds. The front door features a hinged door for access to prints. Both doors provide waterproof gasketing and quarter-turn compression latches, and the rear door is lockable with a 22-inch high and 22.5-inch wide opening. The enclosure can be installed on a mobile or bolt-down pedestal or on a desk. Add a sealed cable entry gland to the rear or side of the cabinet for dustproof and waterproof cabling. The NEMA 4 PB28 is available in blue, gray, or any custom RAL color. Still have questions? Contact ITS Enclosures at 1-800-423-9911. Email info@itsenclosures.com or visit itsenclosures.com and click on the Video Gallery tab for additional product spotlight videos.